Meet me on a rooftop for a high-intensity interval workout. I created a HIIT routine that is exhilarating, not intimidating. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off with a full minute break in the middle. 10 moves total, and all you need is a small hand towel or a bandana. To warm up, over the towel side-to-side skip. Prefer no jumping? Do high-speed step overs. First move, let's get it.
This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll.
Get ready for some towel slams. Squat low, crunching in your abs, and hit the floor as hard as you can. Think of something that makes you mad and let it all go. Best anger management. Do it.
For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it.
In 20 seconds, meet me in a high plank. 4 mountain climbers, then slide the towel side to side. Fantastic move for developing core strength and sense of balance. You're doing great, and we're moving right along to high knees. Twist that towel, hold it by your waistline, and then move those knees, touching the towel as fast as you can. Don't want to jump? You can modify by just walking it out. Let's do it. Let's go. Guess what? We have just one more move before our long break, and it's a fun one. Speed skaters with a towel touch. Catch some air in the middle as you pass the towel from hand to hand, and then land softly as you touch the floor. This workout is no joke, and we're halfway through. Take some deep inhales through your nose, exhales through your mouth. Our goal is to completely restore our breath by the end of this 1 minute's rest. You're strong, and you're challenging yourself to do difficult things. You deserve this rest, and if you feel like it's not enough, pause the video and take as long as you need. Just don't give up. Meet me after you're done. I'll be here. Let's finish this together. Just a quick preview of what's ahead. Kick throughs will come first, then we will do scissor jumps over the towel, followed by reverse tabletop twists, jumping jacks with a towel pass overhead, and finally my favorite, burpees with a towel slam. As soon as you're ready, let's start on all fours. Keeping opposite arm and leg grounded, kick through, bringing the arm with a towel over your kicking leg. Leave the towel in the middle and repeat on the other side.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again.
That was a tricky move and you got through it. Let's switch it up with really self-explanatory scissor jumps. Just alternate jump over the towel, switching your legs. If you don't want to jump, feel free to just step over the towel back and forth, but go as fast as you possibly can.
If it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up.
You are getting through it. Let's move on to reverse tabletop, where you will be on all fours with your heart shining upwards. Throw the towel from side to side, getting your hips up high and twisting through your obliques.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
Jumping jacks are next. Arms overhead, hands meet in the middle, the towel travels from one hand to the other. Legs in and out. You can always modify by stepping in and out instead of jumping. High energy, go at a high pace. Okay, just one more move left. Don't throw in a towel now. Actually, we are going to throw a towel, slam it as hard as you can, jump back and jump forward in a burpee. If you're too tired, just step in and out, but keep that intense high pace and keep that heart rate going. Last move, let's do it. A round of applause just for you. You should be so proud of yourself for completing this. Let's return to a usual heartbeat with some deep breaths. Hit that subscribe button and a notification bell because I want to train with you again. I will see you soon.